In chapter 8, composition and structure of atmosphere, today we will discuss about the elements of weather and climate. People often confuse with the weather and the climate, but they are not the same. Though they share common component, elements of weather and climate include the measurement of wind, its speed, direction, type of rain and amount, humidity level, air pressure, cloud cover, cloud type and air temperature. Weather represents the daily changes in the atmosphere or the state of atmosphere over a short period. Weather is a condition of atmosphere at a particular place over a short period of time. While climate refers to the weather pattern using statistical data of a place over a long enough period. Meaningful average. It represents the combination of multiple weather pattern of a specific location. Average over several years. It is more than 31 years. Climate is the average weather condition for more than 31 years according to World Meteorological Organization. Scientists postulate that both daily weather and climate in the process of changing because of human intervention. For example, on a given day, the weather dictates what you wear if you plan to go outside. A quick glance at the condition and you may say it's warm outside, you don't need to coat, but without checking the daily weather report, you may not know about the incoming storm later in the afternoon. Weather changes daily. This is for short period, it changes daily in hour. In some of the location, it changes with every moment sometime. Climate does not change so rapidly as weather because it is a combination of several years of recorded weather conditions like rain, air pressure of air, humidity, wind, snow, sun and temperature. They too, both weather and climate are interrelated, but they are total and average to give an idea of climate you can expect in the specific area. The elements of significant elements of weather and climate are almost same. Scientists use satellite and weather station to capture and record the changes in the element of weather. Multiple devices measure wind speed, direction, temperature, atmospheric pressure. The elements of weather and climate are same. They are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, cloud and precipitation. Thermometer is the instrument to record temperature and barometer is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Barometer readings signify an increase or decrease in air pressure, while hygrometer calculate the amount of humidity. It calculates the amount of moisture in the air. This thermometer reveals the whether it is cold, hot or somewhere in between. The identification of cloud and the percentage of cloud cover combined with all the other reading tell a meteorologist all she or he need to know to predict the daily weather. The main element including this of the atmosphere which are subject to change and influence the human life on earth are the followings. These are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, cloud and precipitation. These elements of climate and weather have been discuss in your further chapters. Thank you.